Welcome once again to Microbrands Unscripted. Maybe you should just change that to Microbrands Unboxing. I don't know. Because, well, it's true. I don't have a script for this one. And I'm also unboxing. So maybe Microbrands Unscripted Unboxing. Whatever. Anyway. We have a package here. It came from Asia, where most microbrands live. Well, sometimes die also, but that's... I shouldn't be like talking like that. No, wait a minute. I could talk whatever I want. I could say whatever. Oh, okay. Anyway, see that me. See that me. Well, okay. Baltany. So we have Baltany's here. I know that they sent us 2 watches. So let us see. We're going to unbox only one of them, and then we're going to unbox the other one next time. But really, I'm unboxing all of them right now, but I'm going to release this first one, and then I'm going to talk about this other one next. Alright, so do we need the knife? I don't think we need the knife, but let's leave it open because, you know, I live dangerously. Like, you know, maybe I inadvertently pick up the knife instead of the box. Anyway, a lot of enemies. This is the first time that I've seen Baltany have this kind of packaging, so maybe they're changing it up a little bit. But we still have this pouch thing going on. What do we have here? Is there something in here? Well, it's like the usual polished cloth and the card. Let me say, right? Something. There's a unique numbering there. Okay, there. Let's put that back into place and let's set aside here. Now, here's the pouch, leather pouch, and let's see what we have. And yes, it's I don't know what this is. It's a kind of a dive watch kind of situation. I mean, okay. But this one has a little bit of a heritage cathedral style hands, as you can see there. Looks very nice. It reminds me of Longines for some reason. It's probably the narrow bezel right there. I'm just gonna mention, like, maybe here the model name and number. It's going to appear on your screen anytime soon. And it has a clear case back. There's a sticker there. Listen to it. Very uneventful. Very underwhelming. Let's listen to the... Oh, okay. So this is a friction fit bezel. Yeah, one of those kinds that I really don't like, but that's my preference. But then again, I guess that works with the vintage appeal. I feel the appeal. And let's see there. It's a little thick on that side. Let's see if it's a screwed-on crown. Yes, it is a screwed-on crown. So this seems to be like your typical field watch, but has a count up timer. Count up timer. Right. So that's something. It doesn't have a date window, as you can see, and it just works. Okay. Screw that back in. Let's put it on the wrist. We have the usual Baltany leather affair here. Well, to be fair, with Baltany, their leather is a little bit improved now. It's a little more supple. Or maybe it's just because of this black motif. The other ones that I got, the brown ones, didn't really look as appealing to me as this one, but it looks very nice. You see, I think this is a 38mm or 36mm case size. It's very vintage, very old school style case, right? Works very well in many smaller wrists. Perfect for this watch pirate who's always clamoring for smaller watches, but kind of prefers the big ones. Maybe I'm compensating. Anyway, compensating for my ego rather than anything else. But that's the Baltany. I don't even know the number. Like, Baltany, guys, one suggestion, please. add an actual name that I could call your watches, or at least the next ones that I'm going to get. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this new Baltany, and the interesting comments, the funny ones, the good ones. Mostly the serious ones don't make it into the comment section. But hey, who knows? Maybe this time around it's going to be your day. So let me know. And those good ones will make it into the actual video review.